friends, March 25th, 2026. I go to Hohenau and I'll show you the border, Slovakia, Czech Republic and Austria, via the Mach and the river Thaya and Mach. Vámonos! The law is you have to take space 1 meter 50 centimeters, and this guy just went out. He was thinking, I'm not going so fast, these people need to take care. It's like in Kosovo here. Grüße gehen raus an das Element. I'm now in Hohenau. This is the border town to Slovakia and Czech Republic. Yeah, I try to find now the path to the border. I don't know where it is. When you go this direction straight, you get the Czech Republic, and this direction must be the border to Slovakia. Czech. Here's the border. Okay, this direction Austria, here's Slovakia, here's the checkpoint, and this is also Slovakia, and the start of the Mach is must be here. I check if it's down there or if it's here. I'm not sure. Okay. Ich mache nur ein Video. Österreich, Slovakia. So, this is a checkpoint for the police checks, and you have the sign, Republic of Austria. It's a checkpoint. Hello. So, this is the Mach Moravia on the Slovakian side from here. And down there somewhere it starts to be in Austria. I'm not sure exactly where, but this is definitely Slovakia now. Yeah, and I want to cross the river completely, the whole side of the Austrian side, so I will start, when I finished into the Donau, in the Danubia, I will start from here and swim from here directly to Dürngrut, and then I will have the whole Mach on the Austrian side. The whole Mach is Lower Austria, Niederösterreich, where I live, and this is probably the most epic river in Austria, because it's so epic, and it has also here a lot of Fischerhütten. Have a nice day. I try now to go from the Slovakian side to Angan and go with the ferry back to Austria. That's the plan. Moravsky, that's the town named after the Mach. Right, my friends, I have now a lot of headwind here. I'm in Slovakia still. You see here the tree line. Down there is the Mach, the border. And you can see here it's Stupava 28, Malachki 10. And I'm pretty sure that this is the way to Angan. Yeah. I'm not 100% sure, but it must be. Yeppa. And if I don't find the ferry in Angan, I have to make a Commando crossing, which means I take my bicycle, take care of the GoPros and cross the river swimming. Commando Aktion an der Mach. I hope I have not to do it, but if I have to do it, I will do it. Yeah, Commando crossing an der Mach. I have no idea where I'm going, I'm just following my instinct. I think I'm on the correct way, because the way I'm heading must be the Mach. So I have no money and my water is empty. I have now around, I don't know, 40 kilometers or so. 43k, no water, no money, no honey. Okay, it looks like Commando style. Vámonos!
Kompa, Zahorská ves.
Ja, Zahorská, Austria.
No.
Ja. Here or here?
Ne. Kostolište na križovatka Jakubov.
Jakubov. Ja, but here? Austria. Österreich.
Není prechod.
Nie, prechod. Okay, thank you.
Trochu sa domluvíme.
Okay, dobré jutro. Ja. Okay, thank you. Bye.
Dobre.
I don't know. I think I go this way. I don't think it's this way. I have no idea what he was meant saying. I need to learn Slovakia. Sorry, to Austria, the ferry to Austria, the ferry, Morava.
Tam.
Morava, Austria.
Tam Morava.
Morava da.
Tam.
With ferry to Austria or Österreich?
Ano, je tam.
Slovakia, Österreich?
Ano.
Ferry?
Ne.
Nee, hier nee.
Ne.
Kde?
O, most najbližší.
Okay.
Devínska asi. Tam most ne.
Most ne. Nee. Okay. Spasiba, thank you.
Není zač.
Thank you. Okay.
Ale most ne. Tam.
Nee, da, okay.
Tam.
Danke.
Majte se.
Danke, ciao.
Čau.
I really need to learn Slovakian language. I think tam means yes. I was thinking that she says that the ferry is not down there. So I try this way. There was a sign. Because my telephone is not working, because I have A1 Austrian net, and in Slovakia it's not working, so I don't have Google. So I need to commando my way to Austria. Warum kann eigentlich keiner? Warum spielt eigentlich Deutsch in der Slowakei? Deutsch ist die Weltsprache. Yeah, I mean I have a smartwatch as well, but I don't have a net, and I cannot figure it out on my watch as well. Lost in Slovakia, at the Bushaltestelle. Yeah, here it says Mach. Right, I'm correct. Mach. I just had to go a few meters and I would have seen Mach, right direction. So I'm on my way, my friends. Yeah. So I changed the GoPro battery. Here it says Mach, Zahorska West, 3 kilometers. So I think 3 kilometers in this direction. Yeah, it's about time. Alright, I made it. Here's Slovenia. Slovensko, Slovakia. This is directly after the border. You can see here, here's the mark. Usually I swim here. Yesterday I crossed the ferry here. Down there the ferry. I think the same guys like yesterday. Okay, I made it. So I'm not lost in Slovakia. I'm lost in my brain, but not in Slovakia. Awesome. Så jeg vet for ferie, aber kommt nicht. Hallo. Nein, ich hab kein Geld mehr, das ist komplett. Ich fahr jetzt erst einmal da rum.
Ja.
Jetzt muss ich schwimmen.
Ja, ich geh wieder ins Wasser. Das brauche ich nicht.
Ja. Okay, danke. Danke. Was kostet das fürs Auto eigentlich?
Auto 1 Euro und Mann 1 Euro.
Brauchen wir, okay.
Bike ist gratis, oder?
Rad gratis?
Gratis.
Ja.
Ale person.
Okay, das heißt, wenn ich Rad da lasse und rüberschwimme, dann ist gratis.
Ja.
Okay, ja, danke auf jeden Fall. Bis jetzt habe ich 68. Ja, gestern bin ich da vorbeigeschwommen. Da habe ich vorher gefragt, ob ich schwimmen darf, nicht? Okay, ja, passt. Da, gestern geschwommen. Gestern bin ich geschwommen, hast du gesehen, oder? Ja.
Was hast du? Tauchhandschuhe oder was?
Nein, ich tue Eisschwimmen. Ganz normal.
Eisschwimmen?
Ja. Ja, was? Okay, so pretty cool. The Austrian guy, he gave me €1 because I had one I didn't know that I have to pay to cross, and this guy said the bike is gratis, free, but one person €1. So I said to them, okay, you take my bike and I'm gonna swim. But then the guy gave me €1, he gave him 2. So pretty cool. Yeah. I didn't know, I have no money, no honey, no water, I have no passport, no ID, nothing with me. I just went to Slovakia, was lost, found back, and this guy helped me out. I mean, worst case scenario, I would have swam in front of the ferry, and this guy knew me from yesterday that I was swimming there. An adventure on the moor. In Slovakia you have to pay the Fährmann. Back in the day you had to pay 1 ounce of gold. Nowadays it's €1 to cross the border. Bezahle den Fährmann. Gretel. Alright my friends, I finally made it. 2 hours 49 minutes, 79k, 121 pulls. Have a nice day, take care, and as always, bye!